Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my biggest Ulta haul that I have ever done. I placed a huge Ulta order online and it was just delivered. I've got a big box with so many exciting products in here and I figured I would jump on and show you what I got. I spent over $200 at Ulta, but they were having a lot of great deals. I got some great gifts with purchase, so I'm so excited to get into this. As I watch YouTube videos, I keep a list of the products that I see people try out, people say that they love, and I was able to pick up a lot of the products from my list. So I have some products on here that I've been wanting to try for so long and some products that are so high rated, and I'm really excited to see if they're worth the hype, because if you didn't already know, I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'm going to be doing full dedicated review videos on the products that I got in here, the makeup products. So if there's any products that I pull out that you're extra excited for me to try out first, just let me know in the comments down below. But that's why I'm just going to kind of be speed unboxing here, not swatching, trying anything out in this video, because those videos will be coming very soon here on my YouTube channel. So if you like those types of videos, please subscribe to my channel. And I'm also, of course, going to have all of the products linked in the description down below. So if you're interested in checking these products out from Ulta for yourself, while there's some great deals going on, just check out those links down below. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna pull out what's on top. No particular order at all. So one thing about me is I love lip plumpers. So I tried to get like the best, most intense lip plumpers. I actually picked up a couple. And so this one here that I just pulled out is from the brand Soap and Glory, which I didn't realize they make makeup products, but they do make some lip plumpers that are very high rated. And this is the Sexy Mother Pucker XXL Pillow XXL Plump Ultra Plump Lip Gloss. This is claiming a lot of plump, and that's what I'm looking for with my lip glosses, but I also love when I can get them in a color. So I did pick this up in the shade Pink Well. Let's just get a little peek at it. Yay, I'm so excited. And this, even better, was 20% off. All of the Soap and Glory products were 20% off at Ulta. Oh, and it has a little plump-o-meter. Plump, plumper, plumpest. This is pointing to the plumpest. I'm so excited to try this one out. You know, let's stick with lip plumpers. A classic lip plumper right here. The Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. The Too Faced Lip Injection lip gloss is one that I love. It's literally on my daily makeup tray in my bathroom, but they make a maximum plump one, an even more intense one, which I have been wanting to try out for so long. So I'm very excited to have picked this up. I did get it in the smaller version because I rarely can ever go through a lip gloss. So this is extra strength, instant and long-term lip plumper. I'm so excited about this. And then I don't know if this is just like a viral product. Does it even work? But it is. It's viral. It has such high ratings on the Ulta website. And it could just be a hoax, but I'm going to try it out. I fell for it. The B-Flat Firming Belly Cream helps improve cellulite appearance, help minimize appearance of stretch marks, and I just, you know, I want a flat stomach, so I'm gonna try this. I also have stretch marks like on my hips too, which I love trying out different stretch mark treatments and creams, so this could hopefully help with that as well. Nice packaging here. I mean, this is a pricey product, but it seems like it might be worth it. I'm definitely gonna follow the instructions, put it to the test, and I will update you in my next, probably most likely next, because I'll go through this, start using it right away, but my next empties video, that's where I talk about all the products that I've used up, and this is definitely a type of product that I want to use it up, see how it really works after giving it a good amount of time. So also in the comments down below, I would love to hear if you've tried any of these products out, what your thoughts are on them. Next, from Benefit, I got the Boing Boing Cakeless Concealer. I love trying out concealers. I am so picky with my concealers, and this is one that I have heard really good things about. And even, oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute, like a pencil with the eraser. But cakeless is seriously something I really look for, because when there's texture on my under eyes, I'm not going to like that concealer. And this has great ratings, so hopefully this will be a new favorite concealer for me. Ooh, next I was very excited to pick up some new L'Oreal products, because Ulta was doing buy one get one 50% off and a gift with purchase on L'Oreal. Yes, here's my gift with purchase. So I got the Double Extend Beauty Tubes Mascara, which is a double-ended mascara. I got this in the shade Blackest Black, and I just love trying out mascaras. This one has good ratings, and I always use a lash primer before my mascara. So this has like the lash primer and mascara 2-in-1, which sounds right up my alley. And then I also picked up the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum, which sounds awesome. And with my skin getting more dry in the colder weather, this sounded really nice with the 1% pure hyaluronic acid. And then not only were those buy one, get one 50% off, it was also if you spent I think $20 on L'Oreal, you got this free Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. So this looks like a nice little travel size, great to remove makeup, cleanse, refresh. So I feel like I can always use another little travel makeup remover. Next, I'm pulling out, oh yes, see, I really treated myself. I got the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I was already saying how I love concealers, and this one is another one that I heard was so good. I feel like, so my favorite YouTubers that I watch that I had a lot of recommendations from, Allie Glines, Jasmine, what is her name? I want to look her up so I can give exactly her name. I had Casey Holmes, Kelly Strack. Oh, it's Juicy Jazz is her YouTube. So those are some of my favorite YouTubers. So some of these products that I'm pulling out are some of their favorites that I'm so excited to finally try. I feel like the NARS was Allie Glines' favorite, but I'm so excited to try this one out. I mean, it's still like, it has really high ratings on the Ulta website as well. Another one of those YouTubers' favorites is this Milani Cream to Powder Foundation, which I love trying out products from drugstore and high-end. So you can see I got such a range of products here. But cream to powder sounds kind of unique. I mean, it's definitely been done. I've probably tried out products like this, but I really like Milani, and like I said, high rating. So I'm excited to see how that will be. And then, oh my gosh, Kelly Strack always talks about this product here, the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Microfine and Define Pencil. So this is one that's been on my list for a long time. I got this in the shade Honey Brown, which sounds like it should be the perfect shade for me. So really excited to finally be trying out so many of these very hyped up products. Oh, this next one, I was worried I wasn't going to be able to get it anymore because it's a Becca product, but turns out Smashbox does a collaboration, or they kind of like took over the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. So clearly I have a theme here going on with like concealers, under eyes, like that's something I really struggle with and something I love to try out products to help solve this struggle for me. And the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector is like a cult favorite, super hyped up product that I've been really wanting to try for so long. And so I'm so glad that Smashbox now makes it, or is helping to continue making this product. And then I picked up from ColourPop, this just sounded really cool, Jelly Much Shadow. I just, I'm a sucker for texture. I love like a jelly type of product. And ColourPop, we know, makes great eyeshadows. So I just really wanted to try out this formula. This is Field of Fairies, which I think is part of their holiday collection that they just came out with. So it's just kind of this pretty like champagne shade, a shade that I feel like I could really get some good use out of. But I'm really excited to see what this formula is going to be like and the texture. Okay, I know I've already pulled out so many products, but I still have this bag of products left to show you. Okay, wait. You know what? This might be an entire bag of gift with purchase, but it's missing the actual makeup bag, because it was like if you spent $150, you got one of Ulta's, bag of samples, but it was supposed to come in a pretty makeup bag, and I don't see the makeup bag. Yeah, I just double checked my receipt here, and all of the products that I selected, purchased, I've already showed you. This entire bag is the gift with purchase. Oh my gosh. I mean, I feel like I shouldn't be upset about not getting the makeup bag because I do not need another makeup bag. I have so many from Ipsy, but this is so much more free product than I was expecting. Yeah, so all of those products I already pulled out is what I've spent over $200 on. But okay, I could do a whole other video on this free gift with purchase unbagging, but I'm gonna fly through it. Wow. I don't know if I can fly through it because every product I'm like, oh my gosh. But okay, I'm going to try my best. The Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. What is this? This is going to be like a good way for me to try out some new products. Oh my gosh, so many different shades. I love Urban Decay. Excited for that. Ooh, e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. These are some great sample sizes. They're like deluxe sample sizes. Oh my gosh, this I think is full size. The Ordinary Caffeine Solution 5% EGCG reduces appearance of eye contour, pigmentation of puffiness. I was already saying how I struggle with under eyes, and I got from The Ordinary a full-size product to help with that. Oh my gosh. From MAC Fix Plus Stay Over. Ooh. Like a more intense version of Fix Plus. Oh my gosh. That looks like a perfect little travel size for my setting spray. From Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. I love an overnight mask. This is one of my favorite mascaras from Tarte. It's the Lights Camera Lashes. Oh my gosh. You have to get this Ulta free gift with purchase. By the way, it's called the Platinum Perk Beauty Bag. Ooh. Okay. Oh, this is a little sample here. Miss Flowers and Mr. Honey, 82% propolis extract. Oh, maybe like a serum. Bye Bye Bloat, digestive enzymes and organic to help you slim down and de-bloat. Oh, maybe I can use this along with my B-flat belly cream. Ooh, Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I've definitely tried this one out. This is a classic, great product. Love that it's in a little mini travel size. Ooh, from Bobbi Brown, Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I love this product as well. I have already tried this out on my channel. Ooh, Living Proof Conditioner. Great travel size there. From Derma E Thickening Shampoo. Ooh, I am all stocked up on my travel products now. From the brand Sexy Hair with CBD Calm Feelin' It Strengthening Self-Warming Mask. That sounds very cool. I'm thinking like some of these products I could use as stocking stuffers for like my friends and family with the holidays coming up. Next, I've got Juice Beauty Green Apple Peel Full Strength Exfoliating Mask. Wow. Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. So many great brands. Vichy hair Am I reading the English side? Oh yeah. Sensitive Skin Lift Active Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Reduces the look of wrinkles. Very nice. Ooh, from Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, which I love Anastasia Beverly Hills brow products. From La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. From Madison Reed Color Therapy Colorless Conditioning Hair Mask. Ooh, I've been needing a new hair mask, so now I've got a few to try out. Here's the thickening conditioner from Derma E. I didn't even realize Derma E made hair products. I love their skincare products. Ooh, from NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. What a fun product to get here. In the shade Dolce Vita. Ooh, pretty dark red. I love that. Ooh, from Kiehl's, we've got Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Ooh, I need that. I struggle with my pores. From Good Molecules, Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Ooh, I love the brand Good Molecules. Oh my gosh, so much in here. Bliss Makeup Melt Dry Wet Gentle Jelly Cleanser with rose water. From Strivectin, Tightening Neck Cream. I have never tried out a neck cream, but I definitely have like the lines in my neck, so I'm excited to try this out. The No. 7 Advanced Retinol Complex Night Concentrate. Ooh, I love using a retinol at night. From Milani, the new highly rated anti-gravity mascara. Ooh, that sounds awesome. Oh, love this product here, the Pixie Glow Tonic. From Benefit, Precisely My Brow Pencil, Ultra Fine Brow Defining Pencil. I love Benefit brow products. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills brow products, so I'm getting some favorites in here. And then I've got, ooh, from Hourglass, the Veil Mineral Primer. I feel like this is a classic. Ooh, Tom Ford Black Orchid perfume. I love getting perfumes. I love changing up my perfume, bringing a new travel perfume on every trip. So that is very exciting for me to get. From Living Proof, the shampoo. From Ouai Hair Oil. Oh my gosh, I have everything I need now for makeup, hair, skin. Wow. Ooh, the Thayer's Facial Toner Witch Hazel in Cucumber. This is a great classic product as well. From Chi, Aloe Vera Curls Defined Oil Blend. Ooh, my hair could use that. And the last two products in here. From Pure, Get a Lift Firming Facial Cream. That sounds very cool. And then the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Another great product that I love and have tried out before here on my channel. Oh my gosh. Well, I said this was the biggest Ulta haul I've ever done, and it is a huge haul. I am so excited to try these out, and thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.